Let's dive into an important and practical feature in Excel, Paste Special. This tool helps you work with your data in more flexible and powerful ways. In this video, we will explore how to paste only the values, paste only the formatting, and how to switch rows into columns using the transpose function. Let's start with pasting values. Imagine you have a section of data you want to copy without bringing over any formatting or formulas. First, select the data you want to copy, right-click, and choose Copy. Then, go to the place where you want to paste this data, right-click again, and choose Paste Special. From the options that appear, select Values and click OK. This will paste only the raw numbers or text into the new location, leaving behind any formulas or formats. It's a very handy way to get just the data itself without any extra baggage. Now, what if you only want to paste the formatting? Maybe you have a nicely formatted table with colors, fonts, or borders, and you want another section of your worksheet to have the same appearance. To do this, follow the same steps. Copy the original data, right-click where you want the formatting, and select Paste Special. This time choose Formats and click OK. Excel will apply the same style, font, color, and border settings from your original data to the new area, but without copying any values or formulas. Another powerful option in Paste Special is the Transpose feature. This allows you to switch rows into columns or columns into rows. Let's say you have a set of data laid out horizontally across a row, but you want it displayed vertically in a column. Start by selecting the data you want to switch, copy it, then right-click on the destination cell and choose Paste Special. In the Paste Special window, look for the option called Transpose and check that box. Click OK, and Excel will rearrange the data by flipping it from rows to columns or vice versa. For example, a row of values in row 7 can be transformed into a column in column C. This is especially useful when you want to reformat your data for better readability or when your layout needs to be changed for analysis. Mastering Paste. Special can save you a lot of time and make working with Excel much smoother. Whether you're copying values, applying consistent formatting, or switching data orientation, these options give you more control and flexibility. Keep practicing with different Paste Special options to discover how they can simplify your work and help you create cleaner, more professional spreadsheets. Thanks for following along, and I hope you feel more confident in using these Excel features.